Healthcare costs. Technology can reduce the need for in-person visits and hospitalizations, reducing healthcare costs. Increased access to care. Technology can enable patients in remote or underserved areas to access healthcare services that they may not have been able to access otherwise. Conclusion. In conclusion, technology is revolutionizing the healthcare industry, from wearable devices to telemedicine to artificial intelligence. While there are challenges to be addressed, such as privacy concerns and the cost of implementing new technologies, the opportunities presented by technology in healthcare are significant, including improved patient outcomes, reduced healthcare costs, and increased access to care. As the healthcare industry continues to evolve, the development and adoption of new technologies will remain a critical area of focus, driving innovation and progress in the sector. The future of healthcare is bright, and healthcare providers that embrace these new technologies will be better positioned to deliver high-quality, cost-effective care to patients. Case study: the role of technology in the COVID-19 pandemic. The COVID-19 pandemic has highlighted the critical role that technology can play in healthcare, from diagnosis and treatment to patient care and monitoring. Some of the key technologies and applications that have been used in the COVID-19 pandemic include telemedicine. Telemedicine has been used extensively during the pandemic to enable patients to access healthcare services remotely, reducing the risk of exposure to the virus. Remote monitoring. Remote monitoring technologies, such as wearable devices and home monitoring equipment, have been used to monitor patients with COVID-19 symptoms, enabling healthcare providers to track their condition and provide timely intervention if necessary. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence algorithms have been used to analyze large amounts of data related to the pandemic, such as infection rates and mortality rates, enabling healthcare providers and policymakers to make more informed decisions. Robotics. Robotics has been used in a range of applications during the pandemic, from disinfecting hospitals to delivering supplies to patients in quarantine. The COVID-19 pandemic has demonstrated the potential of technology in healthcare, and has accelerated the adoption of new technologies in the industry. Government policies and technology in healthcare. Government policies can play a significant role in shaping the development and adoption of technology in healthcare. Some of the key policies that can support the growth of technology in healthcare include research and development funding. Funding for research and development can help to drive innovation and progress in the healthcare industry. Regulatory frameworks. Regulatory frameworks can help to ensure the responsible use of new technologies and protect patient privacy and data rights. Incentives for adoption. Incentives for adoption, such as tax credits or subsidies, can encourage healthcare providers to invest in and adopt new technologies. Conclusion. In conclusion, technology is transforming the healthcare industry, from wearable devices to telemedicine to robotics. While there are challenges to be addressed, such as privacy concerns and the cost of implementing new technologies, the opportunities presented by technology in healthcare are significant, including improved patient outcomes, reduced healthcare costs, and increased access to care. The COVID-19 pandemic has demonstrated the critical role that technology can play in healthcare, and has accelerated the adoption of new technologies in the industry. Government policies can play a critical role in supporting the growth of technology in healthcare. Through measures such as research and development funding, regulatory frameworks, and incentives for adoption. As the healthcare industry continues to evolve, the development and adoption of new technologies will remain a critical area of focus, driving innovation and progress in the sector.